Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to go over email marketing and different autoresponders you can use to grow your email list. And the reason why email marketing is so important is because when you're selling a product or you have a service, you want to make sure that people are able to stay connected with you. And not only that, you're able to give them information through an autoresponder that they can receive for a week, maybe even 2 or 3 weeks, and just keep them in the loop with what you have going on and letting them know that you have a business and reminding them that they need to make a purchase. One of the things that we understand, being affiliate marketers and being in this industry, is that sometimes it may take up to 12 connections with a person before they decide to actually go ahead and purchase your product. So email marketing makes it really easy for you to be able to connect with your audience without having to manually go in and send information to your prospective buyer, to a client, or to someone who's interested in what it is that you have to offer. So, what is an autoresponder? And we're going to get into that, and we're going to get into some of the top best autoresponders that are out there, the prices for some of these autoresponders, and how to keep your budget low when it comes to deciding which autoresponder to choose from. So an autoresponder is a script that automates email replies. The script is triggered by users' actions either on a site or when a user sends an email directly to another email with an autoresponder in place. Okay. Confirmation emails constitutes one of the most common examples of autoresponders. Okay. So you have an example that you'll be using when you're actually sending information through an autoresponder. So you have sign up for an email newsletter is a way you can get on someone's email list, creating a support ticket for maybe something that you purchase and maybe you're looking for a refund or you need some help using that particular item. You're going to be a part of that person's autoresponder when you put in a support ticket. Purchase an item on a website. A lot of times when you make your purchase, the invoice that you receive, it will allow you to put in your email address so that the person that you made the purchase from has your email. So if they want to follow up about other products that they may have, or they want to give you some feedback, maybe they want to even give you your access information for a membership site, they're able to do that. Change a setting on an account, email a colleague who is out of town and received an await message. Autoresponders and email marketing is a way to streamline your campaigns and cut down on the amount of work that you have to do. So, for example, rather than emailing each individual who signs up for a newsletter, an autoresponder may send out a welcome email that other scripts have personalized. However, an autoresponder have gotten more complex. Marketers now use them in broader ways to maintain contact with subscribers. For example, using creating triggers for autoresponders that sends out a particular message. So this can be applied to wishing a person a happy birthday, cross sell when someone buys a specific product, alert users to membership renewals or expirations, reconnect with customers who have been inactive for a certain period of time, re-engaging customers who may have abandoned a cart, and remind someone that they haven't finished a profile survey or other activity. So again, this is the way that a lot of people utilize autoresponders. And I remember when I first started building my list through my autoresponder, it didn't take me long to start growing a list. But not only that, I started to brand myself and grow my audience by making sure that I connected with those who subscribe to my email list on a consistent basis. And that's very important. Once you have an email service, you want to make sure that you're sending information consistently, whether it's daily or maybe even every other day, so that you can keep your audience engaged and ultimately they can purchase whatever it is that you have to offer. That's very important. So let's go here to some of the top email autoresponders of 2023. I have a few of these, and what I love about them is that a lot of them have customer service. So if in any event you are having problems with setting up your campaign, your email sequence, and you don't know how to use one of these autoresponders, you can always contact support. And a lot of times they have chat available where you can chat with someone right then and there, or you can send an email over to support and someone will get back to you. So you have Sendinblue, HubSpot, Constant Contact, Active Campaign, Get Response, Moosin, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, SendPulse, MailerLite, OmniSend, and then Benchmark. And one of the ones that I really like is Get Response. I currently have Active Campaign and also Aweber. Now, if you are on a budget, you want to look at MailChimp, one of the ones that are on the lower end. And, as your list starts to grow and you become more familiar with the autoresponders, then you can move on to something else. Now, that the way that it works with autoresponders, the more people you have on your email list, as your email list grows, the amount of emails is going to change the price. So some companies, once you hit your first 500 emails on your list, it may jump up to $59, $69, depending on the company. And when you get into the thousands, you're going to see it jump. And for each company, it's going to be a little bit different on how much you're going to spend, depending on the amount of emails you collect. So let's just go to Active Campaign so you guys can get an idea of how it works and how much you're going to pay depending on how many emails you have within the platform. So we're going to go here to Active Campaign and just click on pricing. Pricing is going to tell you where you're going to start at and how much you can actually go up to, depending on what it is that you're looking for. So here they have the Light, Plus, and Professional. This is for marketing, email, and marketing automation. They have the sales CRM, bundles, and transaction emails. So let's go here to sales. Okay, let's see. Okay, so these are for businesses. Let's go back here to see the products, email marketing. Okay, so this is just some information about it, but what we want to see is what the pricing looks like. So it'll be right here. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, that's not it. Pricing. All right, let's try Aweber. I'm trying to just give you guys an idea of how much it's going to cost. Okay, so here we go. So you can start at free. You can start for free and up to 100 email subscribers, 500 email subscribers, it's going to cost you nothing. You're going to get one landing page, which is where it's your capture page where people can go to put in their email for a particular product. One email automation. This is the automated message that goes out to that particular person that's interested in being a part of your list. You get the web push notification, drag and drop builder, email templates. You got the sign up forms and e-commerce and more. Now, here what we see is for a pro account, it starts at $16.15 per month. That's for 0 to 500 subscribers. And this is if you're paying annually. Now, as you go up, you can move this here and see how much you're going to pay depending on how many subscribers you have. So for 2,500 or more subscribers, you're at $46 per month. At 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers, you're at $66 per month. And for over 10,000 to 25,000 subscribers, you're at $146.15 per month. So what you'll notice is that as your list starts to grow, the price will increase, but you don't have to really worry about paying anything until you hit your first 500 subscribers. And that's actually a really good start for a new business or someone who is just starting off growing their email list. So what you want to do is you want to take down um, the information for some of these different autoresponders. And if you go right here to software testinghelp.com/email autoresponders, you're going to be able to see the pricing for each, what's included, and then you can actually click here on the name, the tool name, and it will open up the website so that you can get more information. So I hope that this has helped you to really understand how email marketing works. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.